Hello there! You're joining me, Scientist Diana, and today we're answering what's the magic, or should I say science, behind the puking pumpkin. Every year at our school, we love to get together and make a pumpkin puke. Now to do this experiment, all you need is hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, food coloring, warm water, and yeast. You buy this at the store to help make bread. So to get started, you just take half a cup of hydrogen peroxide and pour it into a container. It doesn't have to be glass, it can be plastic, or directly into the pumpkin. And then next up, all you need is some dish soap. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And about 10 squirts of food coloring, really so we can see it all take place. And then add in your warm water and yeast concoction. Here we go. Now I'm gonna take it and dump it in the pumpkin. I have on my safety goggles. Anytime you're doing a chemistry experiment and you're gonna make something explode, you need to be outside and make sure you have on protective eyewear. Since this is a chemical reaction, the yeast is actually what we call a catalyst. It's what makes everything go. And what happens is the hydrogen from the hydrogen peroxide and the water is also called H2O, which has hydrogen. So those two hydrogens combine together, and as those decompose, the soap captures the water released in here and makes a foam, and that's how we get elephant toothpaste. All right, let's hope this works. Watch out, Bridget! Bridget, get out of the way! Sorry, that's my dog. Oh my gosh! Oh, it's totally working! Awesome! So in science, we call this an exothermic reaction because the hydrogen release gives off heat. So if you touch it, the foam should feel warm. And it's okay to touch this science experiment because we're just using 3% hydrogen peroxide. Now, if you're using stronger hydrogen peroxide, you'll get a bigger boom, but the problem with that is then you'll burn your hands. So this is the experiment that's safe for kids.